Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how you can play around using ChatGPT and see the different things that you can do in ChatGPT to help you manage your data. Not manage your data, like manipulate data. So for example, I am about to make a new video that I'll be making my own programming languages, it's called a tier list. So to come up with the list, I just wanted to three website and I wanted to combine and to see which are the most used languages. Now I want to put them in this format. So I have languages from JetBrains survey, from a table index, and from Stack Overflow survey. I want to put them in Excel. Now, when I come here and see these languages in November 2023, this index list, I think this is by popularity and stuff like that. So I want to grab only the languages. Now I can decide to copy one by one, but I want to use ChatGPT to help me just grab this and to put them in a list, because I cannot copy just this column. So what I'm gonna do, for example, in this case, I'm just gonna copy the whole table. Let's see if I can copy the whole table. The scrolling is a bit slow from the top, so let me copy the whole table from the very bottom up to here. All right, so I'm just gonna control C to copy, and then I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, and then what I'm gonna do, let's see. Now I use chat. I just got recent chat what GPT-4, but even GPT-3 should work for you if you don't have GPT-4. But I'm just gonna do it in GPT-4. So I'm just gonna paste the whole table. And no, before pasting, I'm just gonna say, first let me remove. I just say grab all the languages, all the programming languages from this list. And then I'm just gonna copy it, click enter. It should be able to grab only the programming languages. So you see here the list of programming languages from the provided data. And if we compare that with this one, we can see it's pretty accurate, right? See Python, C, C++, Java, C Sharp, all the way down to the last one was Rust. You see, so it's pretty accurate. And then from here, I can just now I can copy well, and actually I can even tell ChatGPT make that list in a code format. Don't put numbers. All right, cool. Something like that. And I can come here now and copy, and I can come back to my Excel here. Let's see, where's my Excel, and paste. Control V. So I have a list of those what. So I'm trying to compare now. So that is one thing that you can do with ChatGPT to to help you clean up your data. All right, that was table index. Now let's go to Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow also has got a list of these languages. You see, these technologies used. Now I only want to grab the languages. Forget about the number. Now how do I do that? I mean, if I try to copy, it's copying the numbers too. But ChatGPT will do the work for me. So I'm just gonna copy all the way down. Okay, it's too much scrolling. I'm gonna starting copying from bottom, going up is a bit faster. Up to JavaScript, Control C, and I'm gonna come again to ChatGPT. I can tell it do the same for this list because it was already done. I can say do the same for this list. I hope it remember that I only want to grab the languages, and then paste, enter. Let's see if it will do the same. See? All right, here the list of programming languages from your data formatted as code. So you see, is I don't know if it has finished, but I can come here and copy. And also it's good to check. So the first one is JavaScript all the way down to Raku. Let's see here, JavaScript all the way down to Raku. So that's fine. Can come here. That was from Stack Overflow. I can paste. You see, I can see this was a list of about 51 languages there. Forget about the header. All right, and the last one is JetBrains. So let me go to JetBrains. I can see languages here, most used programming language over the last 7 years, and adaptation potential. Okay, cool. So I can copy this. Now, here is one thing that I can't do. Now, for some reason, I can't copy from this list. Now, let's say you want to grab something from a picture. So here I can screenshot this because there is no that functionality of copying this. I know I can copy this, but from some reason, the way they have formatted this table, I can't copy this. I can't copy. See the way it is. So what I can do is that I can just screenshot here. All right, let me screenshot. And what I'm gonna do is that I can copy right from here. I can just copy and go to ChatGPT and say, and I can paste it right here. So the image will paste. Now the image is only available if you use GPT-4, and I can just say do the same. That meaning that it should only grab the languages. But now I've provided a picture. I've not provided a text. Enter. Hopefully it will do the same. Let's see. Might take a while. It's thinking there. Let me read this prompt. Was saying do the same for this. Okay. See, the image you provided appears to be a bar chart. Is explaining about the image. See, showing the popularity of programming languages from that year to that year, along with the percentage of how likely each language is to be adapted in the future. I will list out the programming languages shown in the chart formatted as code. So you see, they've been listed here. I can just come here and copy. Can come here to my this table and paste. Now, not now. I don't want to format it as a word. Now you can see. Now I know I have my 3 list. I can compare. Now one final thing I want to do is I want to compare between the languages in JetBrains, in Tube, and in Stack Overflow. I want to compare so that they are all same languages appear in one row. So all I can do, again, with the help of ChatGPT, I'm very sure Excel folks who are very advanced in Excel can make a formula to kind of do that, but I don't want to do that. All I can do is, for example, I can copy this list. I can copy this list first, go to ChatGPT. Now, okay, I can just open a new prompt. I can say, so match languages that appear in each of the following list. So that is list 1. I can just put here, this is list 1. List 1. And then I can scroll down. I can put a space for list number 2. And then I can come here and copy my list from table, Control C, ChatGPT, and then the final one is list number 3. Let's go here, and this is a bit long. Okay, I just want them to compare the language that appear in each list so that I can know which language are the most common. Control V. All right, after that I just click enter, and then it should compare those, and hopefully it will. All right, so the first thing it has given me, it has say to find the language that appear in each of the, we need to identify those that are common to all. Here the language that match across 3 lists. All right, now that is not enough. What I want is make a table that show common languages in each list. So now it's gonna create a table. All right. Sometimes ChatGPT does not know your instruction. Oh, I mean, maybe my instructions are very short. My prompts are very short, but I want it to do the work for me. So this is not what I wanted. I wanted the table to be side by side. Create a side by side table showing all um, side by side table with the list 1, 2, and 3 as headers. Something like that. All right, it's gonna create that. Okay. Cool. Is missing something because I want to match the languages. All right. Once it's done, I can say now match the languages in each list. All right. Let's see that. All right. That's not what I want. I can even tell ChatGPT to stop. So it stop with that and then say make languages. All right. Put languages that appear in each column, in each list, in the same row, side by side. Let's see what that will produce. Perfect. This is what I wanted. So now it's comparing all the three languages side by side, and I can finish and copy my list so I can know I can begin now. So it has produced all the language that appear in all the three lists side by side, and I can even tell it to include the languages, include all languages too. I'll say include the rest of the languages, include the rest of the languages just below that. Okay, is gonna now list the one that appear in common, and then below that is gonna appear the one that appear maybe in each of the list. So let's see. Okay. All right. You see. Um, all right. Cool. You get an idea. So now I can come and copy and finish the work and of comparing these three languages. I'm gonna make another video of picking the most common languages, and then I'm gonna rank them. But today I just wanted to show you how you can use ChatGPT to help you with a kind of cleaning task of. So right now here I can just copy and finish the rest, and you can keep tweaking these prompts to make it do exactly what you want, and also make sure you double check because sometimes it can miss one thing or two. Um, all right, cool. That was just a short video of how you can use ChatGPT to help you with your data cleaning, data manipulation, and do some Excel work. Thanks.